Hello everyone, this is Chris Roshna at 24K on Twitter. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and of course thumbs up. Today we're unboxing the myCharge Adventure Ultra, 13,400 milliamps of charging power. It offers an AC port to charge and multiple USB ports and a USB Type-C port as well. We'll get into that in a moment. You can see on the back how long you can run certain devices, so this would be good for camping or just going out on the town, or if you're going on a super long road trip, this would be good for that as well. Now going inside the box, okay, we like the packaging. It suspends the battery up in the box. So when you hit power, you can say power on for USB, power off for USB, or power on for the AC charger. So right here, you have the charging port for the battery itself. It uses a specialized wall charger, which is right here. So you want to make sure you don't break that or don't lose that. Then you have a USB Type A port, a USB Type-C port, and another USB Type A port. These all have covers on here to protect from dust and water getting in when you're having an adventure. And here's your full AC power outlet as well. So on the back it shows that it has 49,000 or 49.58 watt hours. That equates to 13,400 milliamps. It has an output of 5 volts direct current, 3.4 amp max, and an AC output of 120 VAC at 60 hertz, 45 watts max. So if you're trying to run a super high-end MacBook Pro, probably not a good idea to get this battery. However, if you have a 13-inch MacBook Pro or just the MacBook or other MacBooks or iPads, this would be perfect for that. Definitely recommended. myCharge is a great battery company. I got one of these last year. Been using it all year. So this is my 1-year anniversary with this battery. Fantastic. I use it with my iPhone. It has a tip there built in and also micro USB. What's great about this is it has a 2.4 amp output. So it really charges a tablet or an iPhone very quickly. And I know the quality is quite good. So that's why we're excited to try out the myCharge Adventure Ultra. This is Chris Roshna, 24K on Twitter.